If you or any of your loved ones are suffering from cataract problem and are thinking about undergoing surgery, then the first question that usually comes to the mind is, how much will the surgery cost? See, the surgery cost mainly depends on two things, the surgical technique and the lens. At iMantra, all types of cataract surgery techniques are available, including phaco, MICS, and robotic cataract procedures. Phacoemulsification or phaco surgery. This is most widely used technique today. In this procedure, very small incision of around 3.2 mm is made through which an ultrasound machine is used to break the cataract lens into microparticles and remove it, after which a foldable IOL is implanted inside the eye. Because the incision is small, stitches are not required and recovery is very fast. The second technique is MICS or micro-incision cataract surgery. This is an advanced version of phaco. In this technique, incision is even smaller, only 1.8 to 2 mm, almost the size of pen tip. In this procedure, a highly foldable and soft lens is implanted. Because of the smaller incision, trauma to the eye is minimal, healing is faster, and patient experiences very little discomfort. The third and most advanced technique today is robotic cataract surgery. Robotic cataract surgery, also known as flex or femtosecond laser assisted cataract surgery, uses artificial intelligence to perform most steps of the surgery with the help of robot. This is a completely bladeless surgery. Steps like making the incision, creating the opening in the capsule, or breaking the lens are all performed automatically by laser. This eliminates the chances of human error completely, which is why it is called the safest cataract surgery. The latest machine for robotic cataract is Zimmer Femto Z8 Neo, which is US FDA approved. iMantra is the first hospital in North India to introduce this technology. This surgery is specially recommended for those who want maximum safety, fast recovery, and best vision clarity after cataract surgery. Now let's talk about the artificial lenses used in cataract surgery. There are four main types of lens option: monofocal, multifocal, EDOF, and toric. First, monofocal lenses. These lenses help in getting clear distance vision, but for near work, you will still need glasses. This category has two options. The most basic category is Ocuflex or hydrophilic lenses, which cost around 10,000. Hydrophilic means water attracting, so once implanted, they never go bad. But due to water attracting properties, impurities may accumulate on them over time, which is commonly called capsular opacification. The next option is hydrophobic lenses. These are specially designed to repel water and moisture, which prevents protein deposits, impurities, or haze from forming on the surface. The benefit is clearer and more stable vision for a longer period. Hydrophobic lenses also reduce the risk of post-surgery inflammation and allows faster recovery. Additionally, they often come with advanced features like UV light filter and anti-PCO ring. Options in this category include Acreol EC costing Rs 30,000 and Acrevision or Alcon IQ costing Rs 40,000. Second, multifocal lenses. These come in two subcategories, bifocal and trifocal. Bifocal lenses provide both near and distance vision without glasses, while trifocal lenses provide distance, near as well as intermediate vision like computer work. The iDiff lens is a bifocal lens costing around 40,000 and TriDiff or trifocal lens cost around Rs 50,000. If you opt for premium brands like Alcon, Panoptix or Zeiss lens, the cost can go up to 1 lakh rupees. Multifocal and trifocal lenses completely eliminate the need for glasses, but they also have certain minor disadvantages. Because of the multiple rings in the lens, they create different focal points. Some people may experience glare or halos, especially during night driving. However, these symptoms usually fade with time and occur in a very few patients. These lenses are generally not recommended for patients with very active nighttime driving routine or those with other eye issues such as retinal problem or glaucoma. Next is EDOF or extended depth of focus lenses. These are the latest and most commonly used premium lenses today. They provide excellent distance and intermediate vision. And for very close work like reading the small print, you may need a slight power. These lenses are very popular because they give crisp vision without side effects. They do not cause glare or halos and can be used in any type of patient. Popular options include magnificent lens costing 40,000 per eye, a hydrophobic lens with blue light filter and excellent results. Premium EDOFs include Swiss Lucidus costing 75,000, Bausch & Lomb Lux Smart costing 85,000 and Technis POC which cost around 1.15 lakh per eye. Lastly, toric lenses. These are recommended for patients with cylindrical power or astigmatism. Popular options include Acreol toric and Alcon toric, which cost ranging from 45,000 to 60,000. These are common lens options and are used in our patient, but if you are looking for any other lens option, we can provide you that as well. All these costs are for phaco or MICS procedure along with lens option. At Eyemantra, you can choose robotic surgery with any of these lenses. Robotic AI procedures significantly increase the safety and quality of vision. While other hospitals usually charge an additional 50,000 for robotic technology, at Eyemantra it starts from just 25,000. Finally, I would advise you to carefully choose the best option because lens is implanted only once in lifetime. It cannot be changed later and it can never go back. Similarly, if you can afford it, opting for robotic cataract surgery with additional safety features is highly recommended. As I mentioned, Eyemantra offers all the latest technology and lens option. For additional safety and infection control, our OTs are equipped with HEPA filter and laminar flow system. Our doctors have successfully performed over 40,000 surgeries. Eyemantra also provide insurance and EMI facilities. So if you too are planning for cataract surgery, call our helpline number now to book your free checkup or you can ask your queries in the comments.